Hey, here is a new belief for To Break No More. So, the new belief that we are working on right now is every moment is a chance to realign. Every moment is a chance to realign with my compass. So what can be happening, and it happened to me. It's like, like I wanted to wake up early in the morning and then like do shit in the morning and then just, like feel a sense of fulfillment that has built up already by the morning, but I didn't know about that. I just wanted to have like the objective of waking up in the morning, and instead I was waking up around noon or something like this, and so it made me feel bad, and so I started to feel to feel like I had already failed my day, like and feel stress and whatever. And the thing is that I still realized, that it was nuts because I could still do shit. It's like it's not because I didn't like comply to wake up early that it made like my day just empty without sense and without opportunities to do anything. And that's a bit silly, right? And we do this with lots of things. We do this by holding on like small mistakes that we did. Like for instance, I could like just stop everything, and because I did some small mistakes in all the videos, like I think that I've done small mistakes in all the videos, but instead I'm like, yeah, whatever, like we can go into deep dives, and like the content is still here, you still have the chance to meet the new framework and so on, and so every moment equal a reset button. This moment equal a reset button. This is what you need to work on. Like this, instead of getting hooked up into regrets and so on during the day, you can just take a breath. When you start feeling regret, you can take a breath and exhale, saying reset, 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 reset. And now what you can do is to take the next step that is aligned with your values, that is aligned with your inner compass. Like this, you prove to yourself that you can change direction at any moment, which is the truth, because we are always in a flux of events that is happening, and it's not something that happened here that will determine like entirely all that's happening in front of you. So you can always like move a bit the needle and go there, and instead of going there, like you can always reorientate a bit. So every moment is a chance to realign, reset.